Hi guys and welcome back to Winter School. I hope that you're all following, and if you aren't, please let us know where you are struggling. Post it onto our page and we will get you to help. Um, it's quite cool. I'm just having a look here on our events page and I see Kashifa actually posted two formulas and she said, what is the difference and how do I know which one to use? Please, and is it possible to do an example? And obviously, exactly how I expected, the mindsetters have come to the party and we've got Sia Demore, you little biscuit, you. She's posting answers and helping out on the page, and she's helped Kashifa out. We've got Uwais. Please let me know how you say your name. I'm so sorry. You can even do it phonetically. Even that's what Sia Demore said. I mean, I got her name so wrong so many times. She eventually corrected me on Facebook. But I'd like to be able to say my mindsetters' names, guys. It's amazing that you guys are all helping each other learn more and learn extra. And Tamlin has now changed back into ET. We've got a little bit of magic happening in the studio. And we've got Buntle who's still here. Her brain's still on fire. Hey. But we are having fun learning more and learning extra. So, ET, let's take it away.
You remember, Indy, one of the topics we're going to try and cover today is transformation. So it's happening.
Good.
Back to ET.
Back to ET.
Yes,
Transformations.
Okay, I'm going to proceed with the same question that we had. There were a few questions under that. And the question I'm going to do now says, calculate the coordinates of S. Because S was the only vertex, on that rectangle that did not have coordinates. And I have put in already the value of A which you obtained in the previous questions at point Q. You'll see I've put in 4 and 4 as the coordinates there. Now, how are we going to find the coordinate of S? I said earlier on, if you picked up that the diagonal, if I pick a pen there, take this one. The diagonal of a rectangle basically bisects your rectangle into two equal areas. Now, if they have the same diagonal as a base of the two triangles that you see now, if you drop a perpendicular from Q and a perpendicular from S, all right, misbehaving. That's a perpendicular there and a perpendicular there. So if you drop those two perpendiculars, now you must have two equal heights if the two areas are equal. So this means now the y that you have at Q has got 4 units. All right, has got 4 units. And the y at S has got 4 units as well. All right, so this means to me that the y coordinate at S is already going to be -4. What about the x coordinate? The two triangles are now going to be congruent. Precisely because this side is equal to that side. QR is equal to, undo that. QR is equal to PS. And what else is equal? So we also know that the angle is 90 degrees when we drop the perpendicular. Therefore, the two triangles must then have 2 units here. What comes out here is that you've got 2 units. Let me pick a pen here. You'll have 2 units. Two units over there and 2 units over there. Now, to find the x coordinate at S, you simply have to take away from the -4 2 units, go into the right. And you will then have a point here that is -2. From -4 to -2, you have 2 units. So the x coordinate here is therefore -2. So, and that's all they asked for. And Yeah, you have obtained it. And I think we'll go to questions that come from, our viewers
I've
and all
got a
that.
question.
From there. You got a question.
I've got a question
Oh, great.
concerning this.
This one in particular.
This
yes.
one in particular.
Yes.
I'm a little confused of where you got the 2 from. Because I understand
Alright.
minus 4 plus 2 will give you -2, but I don't know where the 2 originally came from.
The 2 units.
Yes.
The 2 units comes from the fact that you have got 6 here and you take away 4.
Okay.
All
I
right.
see that. Okay.
So that gives you the x coordinate.
Oh, okay.
I mean the x dimension of that triangle.
Oh, and because they're the same, that's why you did it on. That's why you're assuming it's for
Exactly.
both of them.
Then
Oh.
from that I deduced that this one will also have 2 units.
Okay, all right.
Okay.
I'm good.
Of course, you could have done this another way of saying, all right, PQ is equal to, what's that? SR. Okay? If you, deducing -4 was not a problem, I think. So let's say you don't know X. Then you can just say this SR is the same as PQ because you've got a rectangle. And you can work out that equation and obtain your X coordinate. Many ways of doing it. Okay, of course, if I can mention, also you could have used the fact that PQ is perpendicular to SR and still obtain the X coordinate. But the vertical one, it was easy to derive. I'm sure you didn't have a problem with it. All right, that should wrap this one up, unless there are questions from the viewers.
On the specific one, let me just have a little look-see. It'll take me 3 seconds. Okay, wait, I see one here. Okay. Sure. E.T., this is a long question. I don't know if you want to come in.
Let's see.
I think
It
what
mustn't
we're
be
going to
too
do, E.T., we're going to go for an ad
Yes.
break. And then while we're going for the ad break, Saf 1, we're going to be going over your question. See you now after the break.